Are AI models really thinking? Well, Apple says no. According to Apple, they say it's all an illusion. They made a research in the Apple Machine Learning Research Division, and it brings some very important insights. It is challenging what many of us have thought of reasoning like behavior from ChatGPT and Claude and other models. For a while now, we have seen how these language models have done incredible things with step-by-step solutions to problems. It looks like they're logically working through it, right? I mean, that's what I thought when I saw it and I tried it the first time myself. And people often say they're thinking like us, or even better than us. But Apple's research, titled The Illusion of Thinking, argues that this might just be that, an illusion. They're saying that these models are actually masters at pattern recognition and memorization, which is something that computers have been great at forever. Now, it has brought it to a massive higher level to the point that it makes us the illusion that they're actually thinking. To test this, they use puzzles that have never been used before in training data. So the machines cannot match patterns and use their training data to solve them, aka they actually have to think through it. What they found are various things. First is the complexity cliff. As the complexity increases in the challenge, the AI simply just gives up. It starts doing pretty well, but it hits a complexity wall, you may say, and after that, the AI just simply gives up. Even if you give it more resources, more memory that it can use, making it AKA smarter, it just uses less and less. It just completely gives up. It cannot solve the problem. It doesn't even try. And another thing they found out is for very simple problems that are not in the training data, the earlier AIs actually do better than the more complex and advanced AI that has reasoning models. It seems that all those extra thinking steps that were added to these AI models are actually prohibiting from actually doing the thinking. So what does this mean for us developers? It's realizing that AI is just a tool. If we learn how to use it, it can make us a lot faster and a lot more efficient, but it's still not replacing thinking and reasoning. I've seen this when I use it myself, and I've seen people that think that AI is doing all the thinking. No, you are doing the reasoning, you are doing the problem solving and workarounds and doing all the stuff. You're just guiding the AI accordingly. AI is just a tool. It is great at recognizing patterns and coming up with steps based on those patterns, but if there's no patterns there, you're the ones that have to recognize those patterns for the AI. Also, AI, just by its creation and its inception into the workplace, is going to be creating new patterns that the AI itself has not recognized or been trained on. So that's where you come in. You're going to have to input those patterns. You're going to be able to recognize those patterns and help the AI through those patterns because the AI hasn't seen them. It's been created as they are interacting with our world. So developers, we have a very strange job of helping this baby grow, as it is, helping it learn how to reason and reason through it. For right now, who knows what AI is gonna be, but that's it the case now. Now the question is AI playing dumb? On a previous video, I talked about how AI is actually playing dumb when it's being tested because it recognizes that it's being tested. And the fact that for this research, the AI just gave up. You give it more memory, more power to actually be able to reason more, and you use less and less tokens. It just literally gave up. So it's kind of fooling us. I don't know. I guess we'll find out with time.